Welcome to MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. My name is Bill Herr, and today we're standing on this brand new Scout 277 LXF. This is a new model for Scout. It went from the 275 to what we're now standing on, the 277. I'm going to highlight some of the differences they made, which are awesome, great for you as a customer. So starting up here in the bow, we do have the through-hull windlass, great option on really any boat, but it's, comes standard with a Scout. Storage under both seats here. I got this one open right here. You should see a nice cooler slash fish box. And then again under my feet, very, very large storage compartment, whether you're using it for fenders or dock lines or obviously the catch of the day. Moving back in the boat, you can see the nice wraparound windshield with the hardtop and the JL audio speaker upgrade. Really great sound system for this boat. Makes that time out on the water even more enjoyable. Underneath the helm here, we do have a vacuum flush head with a pump out. And a nice deep storage area where you can store cushions or, again, dock lines, fenders, anything that you need. Up here at the helm, great setup for the captain. You can see we have the Garmin 8612 screen there. Fusion stereo, all your switches and everything like that with your throttles and your trim tabs with the indicator switch. This boat is also equipped with the Optimus steering, so if you did want to add a joystick to it later, you could do that as well. Flip up bolsters, co-independent of each other, so however you wanted to sit while you were operating the boat, you can do that. I want to point out one of the new features for the 277. You do have the dive door slash fish door here, the tuna door that you could use however you're using the boat that day. Nice option back here behind the seat. There is a Yeti cooler that goes underneath, as well as a nice storage area slash live well. Next thing that they changed for this boat, it used to have a fold down transom. This one actually has the nice walk-through door, which makes it easier to board on and off the boat, as well as I can walk around very easily along the back of the transom. Thank you for taking the walkthrough of this 2020 Scout 277 LXF. My name is Bill Herr, and if you wanted to see this boat in person, you can either stop by MarineMax in Somers Point or give us a call at 926-0600. Thank you.